So today we're starting our rack build and commissioning process, which is always a fun job. As we bring cables into the racks initially, we ensure that all cables are labelled to make sure that we can easily identify them when we come to this stage. As we start the commissioning process, we then like to change to a neater labelling system. Sometimes I'll put a laser level on those and make sure that when we're terminating cables, it's very, very easy for us to see exactly what each cable does, and it makes it much easier when it comes to troubleshooting and the actual initial termination and subsequent troubleshooting and fault finding if needed.